Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel 24 into 7 offshoring.com. So today again we have come up with the interesting topic, that is Palauian language. So let's start with the video with the discussion of brief introduction of Palau and Palauian. Republic of Palau is a nation of 340 islands with various regions in the Pacific. From 1994, Palau is managed by USA. Significant ventures. They are the fishery and the travels industry. The greater part of individuals here trust is Christianity and the Modengi. 70% of populace by nearby the Micronesian, the rest are Philippines. In Palau, there are the 16 states. The biggest principal island is partitioned into 14 expresses. The rest islands are separated into two from south to north. 16 states. They are Amalik, Arai, Angur, Hotby, Kayangel, Koror, Malakol, Nagarad, Nagarachalong, Nagardemo, and many more. They are the two authority languages spoken in the Republic of Palau. One is obviously English and the other is Palauian, additionally spelled as Palau. Palau has a place with Austronesian group of language, diverse with its neighbor dialects. Palau is not a Micronesian language. All things considered, it is something very similar with Chambero, has a place with a autonomous part of Malaw Polynesian language. There are absolutely 6 vowels and 10 consonants in Palau. If it is not too much trouble, see the accompanying table of subtitles. We will add this table in the description box. You can check it out. Palau language is the word request of VOS, that is action word object subject. For example, AK Milinga ER Ringo Star, that is signifies I ate the apple. The invalid pronouns ace is a subject I. The statement starting AK is the principal individual particular subject arrangement morpheme. Palau Localization Administration with 24 into 7 offshoring.com. Do you require Palau Interpretation Administration? It is accurate to say that you are discovering somebody assist you with Palau confinement arrangement. So 24 into 7.com is the most ideal decision for you. So we can confinement service. Number 1 is T local Palau interpreted with the patent background of the interpretation material. Number 2 is ePalau editors to alert record guaranteeing exact comprehension and the accuracy articulation. And number 3 is P proofreader go through the altered record to kill any second rates botches. So 24 into 7 offshoring.com is an expert confinement and advertisement of organization. We have abundant local expert Palau entrepreneurs and editors in various fields. State QA work process work frame to guarantee best quality, amazing Palau design in house to give best confinement service to Palau site. We committed to provide the best quality with the affordable price. So 24 into 7 service waiting for you. For more information, you can visit to our company website, that is 24 into 7 offshoring.com. So if you like the video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting video. Till then, take care and bye bye.